Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you what is leverage. Leverage is something that leverage is something this is also used in the stock market. It is highly profitable only if you know how to use it in the correct order, because most of them using too much leverage, they blown up their account or face the worst in the stock market. Now I'm going to be showing you what is leverage. Leverage is something that doesn't require you to put your capital in, or doesn't require you to put anything besides your own. You do that thing and make profit from it without putting your capital in, without doing something. That's called leverage. It means to say that something you get for free, sort of like that. Now let's say the stock market is at its highest over here, and the stocks starts to come down. Now this, if you short your position over here, when you short your position over here, you do not put your money in it. You do not put your money in it. You do not buy shares. You only short your position. You put a bet on it that this stock will go down, go in the downward direction. So this, over here, you leveraged your position. As the stocks came down, as far as it comes down, you make a profit from it, and from that much. So this is called leverage. Another thing in the stock market is the futures. I haven't used it yet. So a future is something that tells you that you bet on it that the price of this stock would go up in the next month. Now that is futures. So that is futures, and this is also leverage. You are leveraging your position because you do not put your money in it. If you sold that stock, or close the position of that stock in a period of time, in that specified period of time, then you will make a profit from it. You will make a profit from it, or otherwise they will be charged into your account. If the prices of that are up as you predicted, then you're going to make a profit from it. If you haven't sold those, closed your position in that specified period, then those stocks will be charged into your account, and you'll pay for those stocks. Now this is also a great tool to use, but it's also have its side effects, so I'm going to be discussing that in the future videos. Now this is all about leverage. Leverage is something, if you do not understand yet, let's say you have an online store, online shop, and you want to sell products. You use Facebook, Instagram, or whatever websites are there available on the internet. You use those products to put your you use those platforms to put to present your products, to present your products to the customer, and to acquire traffic. Now this is also called leverage. You're leveraging those platforms for your own use. You're leveraging. This is also leverage. Leverage is something that you're getting aware to people to come to you, and like I've said over here about the social media, gaining traffic on the different websites, that is called leveraging. Maybe there's a famous and popular YouTuber, and some other low YouTuber, like a YouTuber that has 1 million subscribers, and another YouTuber that has 1000 subscribers. He comes to interview that YouTuber of 1 million subscribers. He gets a name. Now that is also called leverage. To get a name for yourself, to get a fame, and also to get make profit from, that's called leverage. You are leveraging your position at different levels. Different fields require different leverages. Now if you use this leverage in the correct order, you'll be highly profitable from it. You're going to benefit from it. Otherwise you will face the worst in this situation. You'll face the worst losses in this situation if you're wrong. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.